In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Submit button in Google Forms. If you've ever built a form and wondered where the Submit button went, you're not alone. The short answer is that you don't actually add it yourself. Google Forms includes it automatically, but you won't see it while you're editing. Let's walk through exactly where it appears and how to check that it's there. When you're in the editor, you're in build mode. This space is designed for writing questions, adjusting settings, and arranging sections, not for responding to the form. Because of that, the Submit button is intentionally hidden in the editor. That's completely normal and not a sign that anything is missing. Think of the editor as your workshop. You're assembling the form here, but you're not seeing it the way a respondent would. So if you're scanning the bottom of the page in the editor and don't see a Submit button, everything is working as expected. To view the form exactly as your respondents will, use the preview. Look toward the top right of the Google Forms window for the preview icon. It looks like a small eye. Click that icon, and Google Forms opens a live preview in a new tab or window. This preview shows the final layout, your theme, and colors, and the real buttons respondents will use. It's the safest way to confirm what people will experience before you share the form. If your form has multiple sections, you'll see navigation buttons like Next and Back, just like your audience will. In the preview, you can now see the Submit button. Scroll to the bottom of the last page of your form, and you'll find it clearly labeled. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you've advanced through all sections using the Next button. Keep in mind that if you marked questions as required, the form may prevent submission until those are completed, so the Submit button won't process a response until the requirements are met. This is a great moment to test the flow, check the spacing around the button, and make sure the form feels clear and complete. If you're just checking layout, you don't need to actually submit. Simply close the preview tab when you're done. That's all there is to it. The editor won't show a submit button, clicking the preview icon reveals the live view, and the submit button is right there at the end of your form. Thanks for watching and happy form building.